हेलो गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। मैं हूं अमित राज सबको आज स्वागत करता हूं क्लासेस का एक और न्यू वीडियो। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री। सो हड़प्पा एंड इंडस, दीज आर द एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री और नॉट। सो हमारा एंशिएंट इंडिया मीन्स हमारे इंडिया का अतीत दो सिविलाइजेशन जहाँ ज़्यादा फेमस है, दैट हड़प्पा एंड अनदर वन इज मोहनजोदड़ो. So first we will discuss about the Harappan civilization that is expected that starts in between 200 2500 BC before Christ to 1750 BC. So the oldest name is Indus civilization. So the oldest name of the Harappan civilization is the Indus civilization. According to the archaeological tradition, the most appropriate name Harappan civilization is Harappa, the first discovered site. So in the Harappan civilization, the most site that was more discovered site is that is Harappa. So Harappa is the first discovered site. According to geographical point of view, the most suitable name Indus Saraswati civilization, the largest concentration of settlement along the Indus Saraswati river valley. So the civilization is beyond the river of Saraswati river, so it is also known as Indus Saraswati civilization. So 80% settlement along the Saraswati means 80% of the people are left beside of the Saraswati river. So then next, the most accepted period is 2500 BC to 750 BC by carbon dating. We know that by how we use to know the time period of an ancient thing, what we get by doing the carbon dating method. So that John Marshall was the first scholar to use the term Indus civilization. So the word Indus civilization was first used by John Marshall. So the Indus civilization belongs to proto-historic period or Chalcolithic age or Bronze age. So Indus civilization belong to the Bronze age. So the Indus civilization was spread over Sindh, Baltistan, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Western UP and Northern Maharashtra. So scholars generally believe that Harappa, Guhang, Mohenjo-daro axis represent the heartland of the Indus civilization. So generally this Harappa and Mohenjo-daro is represent the heartland of the Indus civilization. So the northernmost site Indus civilization, that is Rupar or Sutlej, Punjab earlier, and Manda, that Chenab, Jammu Kashmir now. These are the north side of the Indus civilization. The next, the southern side of the most site of Indus civilization are Bhaktab, that is Kim, Gujarat, that earlier, and Dembad, that is Pravar and Maharashtra now. These are the north-south southern side of the Indus civilization, and these are the north side of Indus civilization. Then at the eastmost of the side is civilization is Almaipur, that is Hindon, that is present at Uttar Pradesh. And the westernmost side of the Indus civilization is together that Dask Makran coast, that is Pakistan Iran border. So these are the places belong to the Indus civilization, that the east, south, west, north and south side. Then capital cities. So in the capital cities in the Indus civilization is Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro. So Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the capital cities, and the port cities are that Lothal, Stuttgart, Aladio and Balpot Puntes. So this sites means Harappa, this is beyond the river Ravi, this is present beside the Ravi river, and this is the district in Sehwal, and state belongs to Punjab, and country that is Pakistan. And exhibitor, who is the exhibitor of Harappa? Dayaram Sahani in 1921, Madho Swarup Bhasta in 1926, and Wheeler 1946. These are the exhibitors of Harappa. Then Mohenjo-daro. So Mohenjo-daro, that is Nakhilstan, that is oasis of Sindh, that is in the river of Indus, and district of Larkana, and state belongs to Sindh, and country that belongs to Pakistan, and it was discovered by Rakhal Das Banerjee and Mackay Wheeler. Then Chanudaro, that is also belongs to the river Indus, and Naobas, the district, and Sindh is the state, and it belongs to country Pakistan, and it is excavated by the Makwe and N.G. Mazumdar. Then the next point is the Kaliabang, that is Ghagar, that is belongs to district Hanumangarh, Rajasthan state, and India. This is belongs to India. At Lothal, Bhuaga river, and Ahmedabad the district, and Gujarat the city. It is also belongs to the country India, and this is discovered by that S.R. Rao, and the Banwali, that is the Ghagar, and Fatherbad, and Haryana India, R.S. Bisat. So these are the different sides of the Indus civilization, and these are belongs to which part and who is executor, that is given. So for this is for today, and in the next class we will discuss the next.